Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up an actual website. Like not just on Google sites, but like an actual website that you could edit the HTML in. So first what you want to do is you want to go to the official node.js website, which is going to be nodejs.org. I'm going to link in the description. Now click get node.js and then set whatever you're running on, like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or X, and then put like whatever, and then running whatever architecture. For me, it's gonna be Windows 64 architecture, and once you're finished, click I guess for me since I'm on Windows, click Windows install. I already have downloaded the whole thing. But you want to what the things that you want to download the things that you want to download are like almost all of them except for the shortcuts. Like literally everything there except for the shortcuts. Now after you do that, what you want to do, you want to go to search.sh. I'll also link it in the description. And this is what you're going to be using to host your website. So what you want to do after you've installed Node, what you want to do is go to search.sh, press docs, which is short for documentation, go to getting started with search, and then you'll find this command, npm install global search. I'll put it in the description. This is what you're going to use to actually get a search so you can set up the website. After you've run that code, this is what you need to do. You need to log in or create your account, put in your email and then the password. It won't show up when you're typing your password, it won't show up there. I think that's just for protection. And then after you do, okay, so I should probably just demonstrate it right now. Open CMD after you've installed it. Now just run search after you've installed it, and you could see I already have it logged in, but it's gonna do that. So after you've gone logged in or created your account, you're gonna see this running as your email and student. That's the most likely thing. Now after you've done that, just put whatever your project is, and after you've done whatever your HTML is, and then as you could see, you could say it says how much files there is and how big it is, how big all the file size is. And then after you do that, you'll get an option to change your domain. And for default, it's gonna be two random words. So random word dash random word dot search dot sh. And now what you want to do after you've done that is you want to edit this if you want a different one. And then that's literally all to do. Now after you've done that, you could just go to search. You could just go on your search website. For example, I already set up one for my program. And as you can see, if you go to cherrywave.search.sh, you can see this file, 808kicks1.org. Just a simple kick. I don't know why I decided to do a kick, but well, yeah. So I'm just gonna build a sample website. So yeah, I'll be right back. How do you pause? Can I not pause? Myself. Okay, so I finished it, and over here, what I made was a folder that has it. It says it's just hello YouTube, and in here you'll find the actual website index.html, and it's just a simple clicker game where you can click it and score goes up, or you could just hold enter and the score goes up either way. So I'm gonna do a live demo of it. So CMD search uh downloads hello YouTube. And then over here you can put your domain. For example, I'm gonna put example clicker. Is because it won't fall on too bad. Now just wait for a little bit, and once you've done that, this should pop up. And over here you see valid 325 more days. That's just how much more days it has left, I'm pretty sure, until it eventually gets shut down and it won't work anymore. These are just other stuff. So yeah. You ignore everything here. Okay, so now what you want, now you could go to any of these. For example, I'm just gonna go to this, like, this default link. And sometimes if you just want to upload like normal files, it will show like not found. All you have to do is just press now. All you have to do, if you only uploaded like MP3, WAV, images, do slash and then the file name, and it should show up if it has like a full from not found. But as you can see, I set on my own website, and now I can click this and make a score go up. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you make sure to subscribe if you like this video and want more help for tutorials. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.